Do I need to engage a lawyer when the contract is done or when I'm drafting the contract?
I think you should engage a lawyer when you are drafting, just to avoid any future disputes.
Okay.
It will be in your best interest to consult a lawyer to look at it for you before you go ahead and put your signature on it.
I can again share experience on the fact where you say you should consult a lawyer before you even draft the contract. And this has to do with the rent issue that we had. The contract that we had residential property, even though we had agreed in person that, with the owner of the property that we're going to use it for a commercial purpose. And when we ended up in court, this was like the contract said A, and we were saying that this is what we had agreed on. And that reminded me of the fact that, if we had engaged a lawyer from the beginning, we probably would have avoided all this.
Exactly.
So, quick one. I used to run this savings thing with secondary schools, and you remember that also. And I remember when I started, I was so scared that the banks would take my idea from me. So I think I went to do, was it copyright? Or I did something that gave me some protection for like 15 years or so. How do you protect your idea as a startup, as a small business, and you have come up with an innovative idea? Is there a way that I can take to protect that idea? So you hear that, I took this proposal here, they didn't give me the money. I took this proposal to a bank, they didn't give me the money, and someone else is doing it. Is an NDA enough, or there's a step that I should go beyond?
So with ideas, you have to, first of all, you have to document it. You have to identify the idea and document it. And to also mention, it's not every idea that is
new.
Yes, it's not every idea that is new. It's not every idea that can be protected by law. It should be authentic. It doesn't necessarily have to be a new idea, but it should be original, it should be authentic and worthy of protection as well. So it could be either a writing, it could be art, it could be music, it could be any other thing. So when it comes to copyright, that one is mostly for the arts. That one you have to go to the copyright office to go and register it, to make sure that also before that you have to conduct a search at the relevant authority to make sure that that hasn't already been registered by any other person, so that you don't go and use that work and then expose yourself to any form of liability. So you have to make sure that that work hasn't been registered already. If not, you can go ahead and register it in your name to protect it.
Okay.